If you have a fish rising upstream from you, and you must get a cast from downstream, it's important to have a drag-free drift. Cast as normal, drop it, and be sure to take in your line as it comes towards you. This will ensure you have a tighter line on the fish, but your fly doesn't drag. Makes it a lot easier to set the hook on the fish. If there's a rising fish downstream of you, such as that near that submerged rock, again, you must have a drag-free drift. A similar cast can be used. Stop it high, let it drop, and as the fly floats down over the fish, you have to ensure that you have a drag-free drift, and sometimes you have to feed it line. Now as you're feeding line out, it's really important not to move your fly. You let your fly sit, and as you feed line out, you want to wiggle your rod and feed line from your hands in your slack. And if you need a longer drift, you pull line off your reel and continue feeding it. Another cast you can use is a reach cast. A normal cast, and as you push forward, reach across upstream. That also gives you a nice drag-free drift.
I don't know where it is.
Oh,
got him. I just struck when I seen the fish come up.
yeah, good hook set, Bill.
Yeah.
Nope. Sometimes you have to use primal instinct.
Yeah.
Nope,
No,
on the emerger again. Yeah. And you would have swore it was a dry fly take, wouldn't you?
Yeah, the way he came up.
Yeah.
But he hit it on the way up, that's what he did, and he just couldn't stop. Trying to turn his head.
Tough, eh? I don't want to make a stab at him.
Nope. Woo! Just about had a wet guide.
I'd rather get wet than break them off. You ever hear the limbo? Labrador limbo? That's what that's called.
Labrador limbo, that's a good one. That's a new one to me. Keep your head up. Good man. Outstanding.
This video is made possible by Fish USA, America's fly shop. Visit us today at fishusa.com.